Welcome to Tradoo ERP, the all-in-one business solution designed to help you manage operations with speed, clarity, and control. Save time, reduce errors, and make smarter business decisions. Enhance your business with powerful add-ons from accounting and HR management to CRM, POS, payments, digital invoicing, and inventory, all seamlessly integrated in one flexible platform. Choose the tools that fit your business needs, from finance and team management to sales, integrations, and automation. Every add-on works together to streamline your operations and boost efficiency. Transparent and flexible pricing for startups, growing businesses, and enterprises. Pay only for the add-ons you actually use, giving you full control over your investment. Securely access your business tools anytime, anywhere. Fast, reliable, and worry-free. Your operations at your fingertips whenever you need them. Tradoo ERP. Simplify operations, increase productivity, and grow your business smarter.